F7 Ultra, i-release na nga! Guys, naku naman! Apakaaga pa ng 2025. Poco F7 Ultra. Ang unang first move ngayon 2025 mga bossing. Having that Snapdragon 8 Elite will surely make this phone a top contender. Vision Boost D7 chipset, grabe. Ibang klase to guys, ibang level na ang pinakita ng Poco. I will explain Vision Boost D7 chipset on my next video. Don't forget to follow me, Celsius. Okay, moving on, that 120 watts wired charging. As usual, mabilis ang pag-charge talaga sa mga Poco phones, no? Having that 50 watts wireless charging, tol, grabe. Ang bilis pa din nun. Mansanas! Ano na? Diba? Ano na, tol? Anyway, going back, 2K display and 120 Hz AMOLED display. Grabe! Grabe, tol! Ako ngayon, tol, apaka-hype ko kasi I am very excited. Ano pa ba ang mga phones na i-release this 2025, tol? Siyempre, hindi natin kakalimutan ang 50 megapixel triple camera with OIS ni Poco F7 Ultra. Grabe yan. Having this type of processor at the same time, a good camera as well, well, I'm looking forward to it. Don't forget that IP68 rating sa dust and water resistance. Now, magkano ba ang presyo nito? For an early bird price of 34,999, having the 12GB RAM and 256GB is enough. And 37,999 naman sa 16GB RAM at 512GB storage. What do you think? Is it worth to buy or pass? Comment down below. This is Celsius, and I'm your tech guy here in TikTok, and I'm out. Peace!